everyone. I'm Parisan Awabi, co-founder and CMO of Zelkaa, which it helps you as brands and organizations listen and communicate with society accurately. Every minute, over 1 million data is published on online and offline media, which it means people are talking about everything. Products, organizations, brands, and communication departments can't use Google as an analytical tool to find where their mentions are, why and when they are talking about them, and do these kind of trends threaten their brand health or not. Not answering these questions causes serious difficulties responding to PR crisis on time or decide on a strategic campaign based on true data. So we developed a B2B platform gathering this huge data from multi-sources and convert it to kind of human understandable knowledge by the phenomenal technology like AI, cognitive social science, and etc. Under a PR crisis, a public relation manager needs to see all 20 tweets posted every minute about their organizations. This is where Zelkaa provides a smart search engine, cognition, audience cognition diagrams, brand health and awareness indicators, and many other useful features in order our customers focus on their real-time and strategic decisions. So by that, we gained the trust of more than 150 named brands in Iranian market, earned more than $600,000 within 9 months without any investment raising. The global market size is about $50 billion. We have $500 million in Turkey, $200 million in Iran. And in comparison to our competitors, the unique multilingual services of Zelkaa is totally optimized with the price. And all of this has done with a sophisticated team from Silicon Valley and tech ecosystem of Iran. And this developing platform took about 2 years. And now for expanding the business in MENA region and Turkey running marketing strategies, we need $1 million investment. Thank you for listening.